Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got the weekend ahead of us now. And we got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Add this to your cart or your wish list. And fast free shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. So we're about to see what's inside. Coming from my good friends over at Mica House. So I'll have the links for this item. There we go. Like almost there. Boom. Alright. There we go. Nice and easy. Bubble wrap out of there. Now we have here. Alright. Yep. It is Area 51 day. I'm not sure how many of you all are down there. Be safe out there. Don't do anything too crazy. Here we go. Speaker set. Mica. Computer model. That one right there. USB 10 watts. So I'm going to replace my other ones today too. Needed an upgrade on these speakers. Mobile, laptop, desktop, USB powered. 10 max output. Perfect 10. Desktop, laptop, mobile devices. Alright, let's take a look inside what she looks like. So Christmas is coming. Santa Claus needs to know what you want. This would be a nice item to add to your list. And there we go. Alright. 1, 2. Got some speakers, got some cords. There we go. Speaker set is done. Now let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Oh, these are nice. Match the desk. Pretty cool. I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna have to find a song on the YouTube music. Oh, look at the back. USB right there, and then the cord. I'll show you guys a cord in a second. Got the treble, no bass. Feels good. Nice design. Lightweight too. So this is the knob. Need some power first. Here's the bottom, sides. Sweet color though. Definitely liking that. Here we go. Here's the other one. So, there's that. Boom. I'll be right back. Alright, before I start plugging it in, USB goes there. The 3.5 audio goes there, and then the white to connect this speaker. Show you guys in a second. Nice cord too. Definitely pretty strong. These kind of cords. And simple. Let's plug it in there. Loop it around. Alright. Right back. Alright, here they are. Got them all just lined up. Now we're going to test this thing out. Oh, gotta turn it on. Got the blue light right there. There's the volume. We'll go on YouTube Music and get some sounds going. I think this will be alright. Huh. Hold on, on, one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. This is full blast. That's really impressive, though. Switch it up a little bit. Alright, there you have it, Mica speaker set. Check them out on Amazon. Link will be down below. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good night. And I got one more video coming up.